Hi, I'm Jordan Robinson, and welcome back to Royal Oak Ford. I love being in the car industry. I started as a car washer when I was 16, my very first job at a car dealership. A couple other jobs between then and now, and here I am selling cars, and I love it. I really enjoy getting customers excited about the features, the technology, any little thing from the wheels on the car, the color, the performance, sharing my excitement for those features with the customer. My goal as a car salesman is to give everybody a phenomenal experience. There's nothing I love more than a referral or somebody that heard about me from somebody else coming in, already excited to work with me because another customer had such a good experience with me. When customers come to see me at Royal Oak Ford, they know they're going to get an easy, hassle-free experience on a quality vehicle at a fair deal.